This letter is called Laam. Laam is always pronounced light, except in the name of Allah, if it has a fatha or a dhamma on the word before. You can follow our Tajweed videos for more detail. Laam makes a similar sound in English to the letter L in the word lion or the word lamp. This is what the lamb looks like at the beginning, like this in the middle, and like this at the end of a word. Here are some examples. Lam in the word laymoon, which means lemon, or lam in the word lisan, which means tongue.